Hello everyone, we are back with another video. This video is about the article Apple Smart Keyboard Design and Features on AustraliaUnwrapped.com. Apple event is considered as the most awaited event of the year. This is the event where tech maniacs gather to experience the new tech revolution brought by Apple. iPad Pro, Apple Pencil, Apple TV, Apple Watch and Apple Smart Keyboard were the highlighted products at the event. In this article, we are going to discuss about the Apple Smart device in detail. Apple first tried to make a custom keyboard in 2010 for iPad. This was not pleasantly welcomed by the users. One of the best features of the Apple Smart Keyboard is its portability. You can take this keyboard anywhere you want to. It's slimmer and lighter in weight. When you need it, just unfold it. It can serve as a stand for your iPad Pro and keyboard simultaneously. As I said earlier, alphabets are the only thing that are not new in this smart keyboard. Anything else is absolutely new and innovative. For production of Apple Smart Keyboard, engineers on board designed a custom-made woven fabric for making outer covering of keyboard. The fabric is laser ablated to form shapes of all keys. Powerful communication. Apple Smart Keyboard is free from any switches or paired headaches. You may be thinking how this keyboard is going to connect to iPad Pro. The experts on Apple team made a material consisted upon nylon and metal. The metal is unique, that is conductivity. It means that just you have to place iPad Pro in the right position on the keyboard. The conductive material will serve as a communication gate between both devices. It is always frustrating to pair and plug device using USB cables or wires. The smart keyboard has a solution for this problem. There is a connector placed on the stand of smart keyboard. Same connector is placed on the side of iPad Pro. You just need to place iPad at the place where both connectors get connected. For further details about this article, click the link below and comment, and make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. See you down there.